Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Edu Information Knowledge is Life. In previous videos we have started with our computer graphics series and parts of computer graphics, and then we have started with implementation of code block and setting up it with a graphics program. And after that we have seen put pixel function to display pixel on our screen. In this video we are going to start with implementation of line. So now first question arises, what is line? Line is a segment connecting two points. So here are 2 points A and B, and this is the segment which is connecting these points. After that, consider this is a computer screen in which arrow which is pointing to right direction is x-axis and arrow which is pointing to downward direction, that is the y-axis, and intersection is called as 0, 0 intersection point. And these are the coordinates which are assigned for x-axis, and these are the coordinates which are assigned for y-axis. So these are nothing but pixel location of our screen. Okay. So after that, consider this is the first point, this is the second point, this is A and this is B, and this is the line segment which is connecting these 2 points. Okay. And this line can be displayed on our screen with the help of number of line drawing algorithms. But now we are going to see it with line function. So the question arises, what is line function? So line function is having 4 parameters in which the first two are first point coordinates and second 2 are second point coordinates. So the line is having first point coordinates are x1, y1, and second point coordinates are x2, y2. So the line function will be line into bracket x1, y1, x2, y2. So this is the line function that we have to implement. So the actual line implementation is here. As we are implementing it with C structure, we need to include header files first. So #include graphics.h, this header file we have included. Then we are starting with our main method. Main is having integer data type, so it will return something. Here it is not having any specific condition to return else, so that's why here this main method will return 0. Now variable declaration, here are 2 variables GD and GM. GD will define graphics drivers. With the help of detect, it will detect graphics drivers installed in your system. This is the mode, graphics mode, with the help of which it will define how your object will get displayed on our screen. Now we have to initialize our graph with init method, which is having 3 parameters, address of GD, which will point detection method of this graphics driver. After that, second one is graphics mode. It will point to the address of graphics mode. And the third one is empty double quote, which will directly fetch BGI path of that graphics program. And the actual logical part comes here, line, which is having 4 parameters. It will define 4 coordinates, 2 of first point and 2 of second point. So this is line which is having first point coordinate 100, 100 and second point coordinate 200, 200. Now get.ch, it will help to jump from runtime environment to coding environment. Close graph will help to close our graph window. Now I have already typed this program here. Now build it and run it. Okay, so this will be our line looking. Here is the x point coordinate value and here is the y point coordinate value. After that, this is the second point coordinate value, this is 200 and this is 200.